What did you say?
What did we say again? Let's start with the dry ingredients. The flour. This is the Cream of Tartar. This is the salt.
And we're gonna give it a stir.
Kind of woke up. Now for the wet ingredients. It's hot water.
Are you gonna put the whole thing?
I'm trying to put it all in the mix. Is this all going to be the Play-Doh? Now I'm adding just a little bit more. Mix. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil.
Yeah.
What kind of oil is that? Use my hands to moist. Whoa.
Is it still sticky, Lilo? Should I add some more flour?
Sticky, see? And this is how it should look like. Oh, the ingredients look awesome in this thing.
Should we add some colors?
Yep.
Go and squish it all together.
I'm putting it in. Now more colors inside.
You're gonna mix this magic together. Where does it go? Which color are you the most excited to play with? Purple?
Need a flat top before you play.
Before you want to play?